Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Salesloft to enrich LinkedIn leads, complete guide step by step clearly. To authenticate Salesloft for enriching LinkedIn leads, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Salesloft website and log in with your credentials. Once logged in, locate the settings icon, typically found in the lower left corner of your dashboard. Click on the settings icon to access your account settings. In the Settings menu, find the Integrations tab and click on it. Scroll down until you see the LinkedIn integration option. Click on the LinkedIn integration link to begin the authentication process. You will be prompted to log in to your LinkedIn account. Enter your LinkedIn credentials and click on the Sign In button. Once logged in, allow Salesloft to access your LinkedIn information by clicking Allow on the Permission Request screen. After granting permission, you will be redirected back to Salesloft. Confirm that your LinkedIn account is now connected by checking the integration status. To enrich your LinkedIn leads, navigate to the Leads or Prospects section in Salesloft. Select a lead you want to enrich. Within the lead's profile, look for the Enrich button provided by Salesloft. Click on the Enrich button to initiate the data enrichment process. Salesloft will retrieve additional information from LinkedIn and display it within the lead's profile. Review the enriched data for accuracy and completeness. If everything looks good, save the updated lead information. Repeat this process for any other leads you wish to enrich. Finally, ensure that your integration settings are configured to your preferences for optimal use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for